Hello again, everyone. Welcome to an eBay box break. This is for the 2012-2013 Upper Deck Artifacts box break number 11. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Here's the serial number. It's NE189546010. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Pack 1. You have base. Then we have a rookie redemption for the Hurricanes. Decoy, base, and base. Pack 2. You have base and base. We have a jersey and patch card for the Leafs of Nikolai Kulemin, number 22/24. And base and base. Pack 3. We have base and base. We have a nice hit for Edmonton. It's a jersey patch auto card of Jari Kurri, number 6/8. Nice hit for Edmonton. Jari Kurri. Base and base. Pack 4. We have base. We have a Tundra Trios card. Wayne Gretzky, Jaromir Jagr, and Eric Lindros. This one's going to be randomized between the Kings, the Rangers, and the Flyers. Decoy and base. Pack 5. Base. And we have a Team Canada Emerald card of Cody Eakin, 48/99. He's traded it to Dallas, so this card goes to Dallas. Decoy, base, and base. Pack 6. Base and base. We have a rookie for the Avalanche of Tyson Barrie, 7/13/999. Decoy and base. Pack 7. Base and base. We have a hit for the Leafs of Johnny Bower, 8/85/999. Decoy and base. Pack 8. A base. We have a hit for the Hurricanes of Jeremy Welsh, 6/50/999. Decoy, base, and base. Pack 9. We have base and base. We have a hit rookie for the Lightning of JT Brown, number 8/25. Decoy and base. The last pack. Base We have a Team Canada dual jersey card of Patrice Bergeron, number 86 out of 125. That goes to Boston. Decoy and base. Let me just set up the random. This is for the Gretzky, Jagr, Lindros card. Teams on the card are Los Angeles, New York Rangers, and Philadelphia. I randomize it 3 times. Whoever's on top at the end gets the card. There you go. So 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to Philadelphia. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.